Israel detains 13 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Deadly car explosion kills 19 in Egypt. Turkey and US officials meet to discuss Syria's safe zone. Iran says seized oil tanker is from Iraq. Iraq denies links with oil tankers seized by Iran. Iranian fighter jet crashes near Persian Gulf. Syria, Assad regime strike kill 1, wound 5 in Idlib. Russia and US told of coming Turkish operation in Syria. Air strike by Haftar forces killed 20 in Libya, lawmaker. Sudan's rival initial declaration of constitution. Pakistan owes to respond to any Indian misadventure. India moves to remove all special provisions to Kashmir.